Welcome guys to new educational video. Today we will talk about supply and demand zones. This is lesson number 4. Let's begin now. First, we are doing theory example. Then we will find real chart examples. A supply zone is a trader's selling price area. This area is present above the current price with high selling interest. Remember, supply zone is for selling. Let's say definition for demand zone now. A demand zone is a trader's buying price area. This area is present below the current price with high buying interest. Remember, demand zone is for buying. After this we will talk about how you can identify those zones. Let's do it now. Supply zone is only valid if price previously made break of structure or change of character. If you see price made break of structure or change of character, then you can mark your supply zone and wait price to come back for your entry level. Remember this second supply. Next, what we will talk about is different types of supply and demand zones. Supply zone and change of character example. So, we can see price is in the uptrend. After that we saw that price failed to break the highest level again. And price broke the lowest level in a while. This is our change of character. After that we can find entry on supply zone which caused change of character. If price break the lowest structure again, that will be break of structure as well. Marking our supply zone, and then we are waiting for entry when price come back to the zone we are looking. We can place stop loss just above the zone, because price should not break that zone. Let's move to the demand zone. As we learned, demand zone is a buying price area. And demand zones are only valid if price previously made break of structure or change of character. If you see price made break of structure or change of character, then you can mark your demand zone. You can take entry on every demand zone and uptrend. But sometimes things won't be so clear like here on this example. In forex market there is a lot of economic news and manipulation. So, if you are using every step from my education, then you should be good. But remember that no one can't predict every move on the forex market. But when you have experience you know what to expect. Demand zone and change of character example. We can see price is in downtrend. But then price broke the highest level in a while. That is change of character. After change of character, we are looking for demand zone which caused change of character. Once we identified those things, we are patiently waiting for price to touch our demand zone, and then we are taking our entry. The first and my favorite type of supply and demand zone is indecision candle. Indecision candles has the same wicks on both sides. It doesn't matter which color is candle. And it doesn't matter how much is big body of candle. It is important to have same wicks on both sides. Next example of supply and demand zones is consolidation. I have told you recently to remember this type of zone. Consolidation is a good example of zone because in consolidation is a big money. And don't get confused because I am talking about consolidation now. I remember very well that we were told that we do not trade in consolidation. But we will not actually trade in consolidation. Here you can actually see that we don't take trade inside consolidation. We take trade after price do break of structure. Once price do break of structure, we can mark whole area of consolidation and patiently wait price to hit it. If the supply zone is the consolidation, then the name of that supply is distribution. And if the demand zone is a consolidation, then the name of that demand is accumulation. Next type of supply and demand zones can be single candle. It's a candle that price made before it made a big move in the market. By big move I mean that price made break of structure or change of character. Once you identify a break of structure or change of character, you can look for your supply and demand zones. Depends on the market is which type of zone you will get. Consolidation zone, single candle zone or indecision candle as well. After this example, we will move to real chart to analyze the market. Let's do back testing now. This trade I shared in my group also. Take a look how I did it. Another example of entry. I also shared this trade in my group. Let's see how I did my analysis. This is the end of 4th lesson. See you in the next one.